Hey besties, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make waffles, your homemade waffles that taste so delicious. Okay, if you would like to learn, keep watching. I've already sifted my all-purpose flour and I'll be measuring with a cup today. I'd also drop the gram measurement, but I'll use 2 cups of all-purpose flour here. When you're measuring with your cup, you don't want to overpack your cup, so that's why I'm doing this. The measurement is 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Set that aside. In this bowl, I'm going to measure half cup of sugar. Your half cup of sugar measurement should be about 100 grams, but you can use as low as 50 grams. Now I'll set that aside and measure the milk. For milk, I'll be measuring 1 cup of old milk. So you can use your whole milk, you can use your powdered milk that you've reconstituted to a whole milk. Measure it and set that aside. Now I'm going to measure my baking powder. I'm using 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll be using butter, unsalted butter to be precise. You notice we added 1 teaspoon of salt because it's unsalted butter, and that's 100 grams. You can use margarine. If you're using margarine, reduce your salt. If you're using oil, leave the salt at 1 tsp. It's been melted. I used the microwave to just melt it a little bit. Now I have 2 eggs and I'm going to grab my bowl. In this stainless bowl, you can use any bowl, plastic, stainless, glass bowl, whatever you have. I'm pouring in my melted butter, and then I'm going to break up the eggs. I'm going to break it into a bowl one after the other just to be sure that the eggs are fresh. I'm so sure that these eggs are fresh, but the best thing to do is to break your eggs separately in a different bowl. So in case you have a bad egg, you won't end up ruining all your eggs. So that's the second egg. If you are using 50 grams of sugar, please increase your milk by 50 grams. I hope you understand, just in case. So now I'm going to add in the sugar, and to my all-purpose flour, this is my baking powder and my salt. I'm going to add it into the flour. Now I have my milk left and the flour, baking powder and salt. So we're going to whisk these wet ingredients together. You don't even need to whisk it for too long, just whisk until combined. Between 40 minutes to 1 minute is fine. Pour in the milk. You're going to give it a stir, but remember, if you're using salted butter, omit the salt, and if you're using margarine, reduce your salt to 1/2 tsp, that's half tsp. I'm just going to use this fork to blend in the baking powder and salt into the flour. I'll add in the flavor. I'm using 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice, and you can reduce it to 2 teaspoons if you feel 1 tablespoon is too much for you. And just mix that together and then dump in all the flour. There's no point mixing it, alternating or anything. Just dump in all the flour and whisk this until everything is smooth. Make sure you don't have any lumps in the batter. Between 1 minute, 40 minutes to 1 minute is fine. 30 minutes to 1 minute is also fine. You just want to make sure that you have a smooth consistency or a smooth batter. This is the consistency we are going for. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. It's just at the right consistency. If you like your waffles hard, then you want to reduce your milk by maybe 30 to 50 grams. Now this is ready. I'm going to grab the waffle maker now. Make sure it's turned on. You need to oil it a little bit. So using your silicone brush, oil it a little bit with vegetable oil, or if you have the spray, the oil spray, you can use that. So make sure that you get all the corners so that it's easy for you to remove. For this waffle, we'll be using half cup, or you use this scoop. It's the same content. So you just want to pour your batter, your waffle batter, pour it and make sure that it covers all the cubes or all the squares. It depends. There are different shapes of waffle makers. You have the round, you have the heart, you have this square. So just make sure it covers everything, and then you repeat it for the second part. Pour it into your pan and spread it just a little bit to make sure that it covers all the squares or all the cubes. If you're still watching this video up till this point, thank you so much. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and share this video with anyone that you think it will be useful to. And if you're new on this channel, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on your post notification. Now we're going to cover this and allow the waffle maker do its thing until the light goes off. The waffles are out. I think I got a total of 8 pieces from this batter. You can see how easy it is to make as long as you have the right consistency of the batter and you know how to handle your waffle maker. You'll be good to go. We got a total of 8 pieces. I have ice cream here and so I'll be pairing mine with it, but just take a look at this beauty. You can see how beautiful it is. If you want your waffles darker, you can leave it for a longer period of time. So I just got my ice cream, vanilla and strawberry ice cream. If you'd like to see the recipe, let me know in the comment section and I'll upload the video for you all. So now I'm just going to put 1 scoop of the ice cream each, the flavors, vanilla and then strawberry. I have strawberry sauce, so I'm just going to drizzle that a little bit on it. I mean, who doesn't love enjoyment? Soft life. So let's go ahead and taste our waffles and ice cream and let's have a taste of this. Oops! Oh my goodness. You can see. Wow. This combination is so yummy. Wow. This is so delicious. Let me move it closer to the camera for you to see. It tastes so delicious. You should absolutely try it out. I mean, everyone loved it. Loving it is even an understatement. Everyone enjoyed it. You should make this for your family, make it for your friends, and just enjoy it, you know. So let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video with anyone that you think it will be helpful to. You can even save the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.